Welcome to another tutorial on Do-It-Yourself Easy. In today's session, we'll learn how to create a checklist with a progress bar in Excel. This can be incredibly useful for tracking tasks, such as employees marking their progress on a project. Before we begin, ensure you have the Developer tab in your ribbon. If it's not there, don't worry, it's easy to add. Simply right-click anywhere on the ribbon, choose Customize the ribbon, and check the box for Developer. Once it's visible, click OK to save the changes. Since I already have the Developer tab enabled, we'll close the dialog box and continue. Now let's get started. With the Developer tab active, go to Insert, and under Form Controls, select the checkbox. Place it in one of your cells. Here's something important to note. You'll also find an ActiveX checkbox under the same menu, which allows for advanced customization with VBA. But for this tutorial, we'll stick with the Form Control checkbox. Stay tuned for future videos where we'll explore the ActiveX option in detail. To modify the checkbox's appearance, right-click it. First, let's delete the default text next to it by selecting it and pressing Delete. Now position the checkbox neatly over a cell. To quickly copy the checkbox, select the one you created. Right-click on its bottom right corner, drag it down, and then drag it to the right as needed. Before we proceed, it's essential to link each checkbox to a cell. To do this, right-click on a checkbox and choose Format Control. Under the Cell Link option, select the cell where you want the checkbox to store its value and click OK. Repeat this step for the other checkboxes. Once linked, you'll see the cell display true when the checkbox is checked and false when unchecked. If you want to hide these values, you can simply change the font color of the linked cells to white. Now let's create the progress bar based on the percentage of completed tasks. To calculate the percentage, we'll use the COUNTIF formula. Go to cell G3, type equals COUNTIF open parenthesis, select the range of linked cells, add a comma, and set the criteria to true. Make sure it's in quotation marks. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. This will count the number of true values. Next, to calculate the percentage dynamically, divide the count of true values by the total number of tasks. For that, we'll use the COUNT-A formula, which counts all non-blank cells in the range. Press Enter, and you'll have the percentage of tasks completed. Finally, let's visualize this with conditional formatting. Select the cell with the percentage, go to Conditional Formatting, choose Data Bars, and click on More Rules. Set the minimum value to 0 and the maximum value to 1. Then, choose the color and direction of your progress bar and click OK. And there you have it, a functional checklist with a dynamic progress bar in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this simple yet effective tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.